welcome back to my channel. As you guys seen, I haven't done a video in a little bit, but I am going to start doing some videos for you guys again. It's mostly going to be about a lot of fitness and nutrition and things that I need to get done. And guys, if you've seen on all my videos, I cannot work out without music. I'm always listening to music. It helps me focus. I know some people that don't like it, like my sister, she likes to focus on workout, no music, but I do. So I'm always looking for a really nice headset to wear. And if it's wireless, it's even better because I don't have to worry about it. I can just link it to my phone and I don't have to be bothered with it. So today, guys, we're going to do a sponsor video with these headset that I just received. And we're actually going to unbox them. I haven't opened them yet, so let's see what they look like. So this is what it looks like, guys. It looks super nice. If you're looking at this right now, I bought this on Amazon with the sponsor link from the company. But if you go on Amazon right now, they are having a $10 discount. This is usually $35.99, but you'd be only paying $25.99 for it, which is pretty cool. And these looks pretty sturdy, so let's take them out. So this is where your little charger is going to be at. So let's get these out. Oh, not only get a charger, you get these little earbuds, which is pretty cool. So this is not bad. And take this little piece out. Of course, it comes with your instruction manual. Pretty small. Usually they're pretty small. Mostly self-explanatory. All the instruction in the back and your service. This is where you get online support. Okay, so we suggest you register your product and activate your lifetime warranty. This is your website. You're going to get your scan QR code. If you're, it says registration is valid in 45 days. Is valid in 45 days after you purchase the product. All rights reserved by Wigfar. And so far, this is your device. This is everything you get out of it. Instruction manual. Okay, it has congratulations. Lifetime warranty is now and get lifetime warranty now and get a gift. So pretty cool. It has your instruction and music time. It says it's 5 hours, charging time 2 hours, standby time 7 days, connection distance 10 meters, speaker type bone conduction. So pretty cool. Now, I haven't charged this yet. I just wanted to unbox it. What I'm going to do, guys, is go ahead and charge this guy up. We're going to go ahead and use it. And I'm going to show you guys pretty much me going for one of my regular walk run days with it. It's going to be pretty fun. So we're going to go ahead and get to that. Cool thing about this is super lightweight. This, you don't feel like there's anything at all. You snag it on and it goes on over your ear. One of my favorite things about this is that this is over your ears. It doesn't go in your ears, and they gave you the little earplug if you need this, because I like to listen to my music, but I don't like it to blast in my ear, because I do sometimes like to listen to my music pretty loud. So it's pretty cool. So if you're going to purchase this, link will be in the description down below. Plus, it's going to be on my Amazon page if you don't see the link for it. So you'll always be able to have access to this. All links will be down below. I will have the direct link for you guys. It's going to be in the description code down below for you to go and tag and get it now. And remember, I told you guys, if you get it right now, there is a $10 discount for you to get. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you know when we have a new video that are coming out. Give this video a thumbs up, leave all of your comments down below, and don't forget to go over and watch my last video.